Hello everyone. So today I am going to give a presentation on industry analysis on industry, tourism and hospitality. So first I want to give an introduction. So as we know that India is a large market for travels and tourism. It offers a diverse portfolio of appropriate tourism products such as cruises, adventures, ecotourism, leisure tourism, etc. Tourism in India has significant potential considering the rich cultural and historical heritage. According to WTCC, India ranked 10th among 185 countries in terms of travels and tourism total contribution to GDPs in 2019. And now next slide. Then the advantage in India. Now here we can see that there are four stages. The first is robust demand, attractive opportunities, policy support, and the diverse attraction. So first I want to explain robust demand. By 2029, India's tourism in sector is expected to grow 6.7% to reach rupees 35 trillion and accounting for 9.2 of the total economy. And now I want to explain attractive of opportunities. India has a diverse portfolio of the next tourism products, cruise, adventures, medical, etc. Now policy support. The government of India will develop 17 iconic tourist sites in India into world-class destination as per regulated by India. Now diverse attraction. India offers geographical attraction, 37 world heritage and biographic zones. The country's big question is dotted with several attractive with beaches. Now its market overview. Now I want to give a discussion. Now I want to discuss with market overview. So in market overview, there is evolution of Indian tourism and hospitality sector. The National Tourism Policy was announced in the year 1982. The government formulated on a comprehensive plan in 1983 to promote the tourism. A national policy of tourism was announced in 2002 to focusing on developing a robust infrastructure. In November 2018, India attacked third position in the world tourism sector after China and US. Now the segments of tourism and hospitality. Accommodation and catering. Accommodation could be hotels and motels, apartments, camps, guest house, lodge, etc. And transportation comprises airlines companies, cruises, service, railways, etc. And attraction, another major components of the travel tourism industry is attractions such as theme parks and natural attraction including scenic location, etc. Travel agents, a fragment sector with several independent travel agents and many online businesses. They also sell associated products such as insurance, car hire, and currency exchange, etc. Tour operators offer custom tours including travel, accommodation and sightseeing. Emerging tourism and hospitality segments. The aim is to develop interest in heritage and culture and promote visits to village setting to experience. The luxury travels market in India is expected to grow at rate 12.8% during in the year of 2015 to 2025, the highest in companies with the other BRIC country. Now here are some companies. The major companies are Make My Trip. They are booking online, and there are some websites that is Yatra.com and Clearstrip.com. Then here are the name of the hotel, Taj Hotel, that is regulated by ITC, Oberoi, Marriott. And then the tour operators, that is Travels Company, Raj Travels, Kesar Tours, etc. Growth drivers for the tourism market. So more than half of Ministry of Tourism budget is channelized for funding the developing of destination circuits, mega projects as well as rural tourism infrastructure projects. Domestic expenditure on tourism is expected to rise due to growing income of households, several niche offerings such as medical tourism and ecotourism, etc. A web-based public service tourism, a web-based public tourism system, a PHDS, has been launched by the Ministry of Tourism to enable all the applications seeing approval for hotel projects and track their applications online on real-time basis. Now the government initiatives. Based on specific themes, government has identified 15 circuits which include Krishna Circuit, Buddhist Circuit, under budget 2020 to 2021 on pilgrimage, rejuvenation and spiritual augmentation was implemented by the Ministry for enhancing the facilities. Under budget 2020 to 2021, the government has allocated rupees 2 crore approximately for the development of tourist circuits under Prasad. Now the opportunities. World-class hospitals and skills medical professionals makes India a preferred destination for medical tourism. Tourism is one of the most important and fastest growing segments in the global leisure industry. Government of India has estimated that India would emerge with a market size of 1.2 million cruise visitors by 2030 to 31. In the year 2030 to 31. Now the conclusion. India is travel and tourism industry has huge growth potential. The industry is also looking forward to the expansion of e-visa scheme, which is expected to double the tourist inflow in India. India's travel and tourism industry has the potential to expand by 2.5% on the back of the higher budgetary allocation and low-cost healthcare facility, according to a joint study conducted by private bank. That's all. Thank you.